Clock is held in by 2 screws, but there are no nuts. There are tenement clips. So, unscrew. You'll cut your fingers without the gloves. Okay, remove the knobs. Remove the clock. Note, there are 2 screws that just provide support to the back of the bracket. They do not have to be removed. To remove the clock, press the little tab, push forwards. Other side. Very important, do not flip the bracket over. Otherwise, the clock will not fit. Always disconnect power before service. L8, gently pry it off. N7. At this point, on the clock, between the blue and the orange, you should read 208 to 250 volts. 2A, 2, 1A, and 1. Push clock back into bracket, click right in. Get the bracket behind the screws, align the bracket, install tenement clip, install screw loosely. At this point, we install our buttons. Be sure all buttons move freely before we snug up the clock. Test buttons, then set the time as previously demonstrated.